Hello, Vlogging Village. My name is Corey. Why do I think Vlogging Village is so interesting and so awesome? Simply this. We get to see 14 different people, 2 weeks, doing awesome and amazing things. I cannot wait to see this channel, and if I'm not picked, definitely stay in tune to see how awesome and epic this is. Show your talent. I can do this. That's not good. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, Spider-Man PJs. Heck yeah, dude. What's different about me? What's great about me? I'm random, and that's basically it. I will do any challenge that you throw my way. I will vlog when I need to. I already do a 365 channel and do a video every single day. So, I want to be a part of this as well. Details. I'm sitting in a bathroom. I'm on a toilet like right now. I'm not pooping, I'm on a toilet with a green little cushion. Yay! That's right. That just happened. Show something in your video that shows your YouTube talent. I don't know. Here's X-ray. Oh. Alright. That burns a lot. Okay, don't rub it in. See you later. Hopefully.